Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are going to share with you 5 more beaches in Cornwall we think you should visit. This is the 4th episode in this series, so be sure to like and subscribe to be notified of future content. The rest of the series is linked in the description box, as well as individual vlogs of each location if you want to see more. All the postcodes, parking, accessibility and other information will also be in the description box below. Let's get to it. First up, we think you should visit Perranuthnoe Beach. This is popular with mostly locals. Perranuthnoe is a lovely small quiet beach in West Cornwall, close to Penzance. There is parking just up the hill from the beach. There is then a short walk down onto the beach, which is totally worth it to explore this quiet part of Cornwall. The beach is on the edge of the village, so of course there is a village pub and there's also a cafe right on the beachfront. Walking down a concrete slope gives you direct access onto this quaint beach. Be sure to check the tide times here, as when the tide is high the beach all but disappears. When the tide is out there is a long stretch of golden sand, loads of rock pools to explore and some really interesting granite and redstone cliff formations. Up next, we think you should head down to PorthLuney. You may be wondering why this beach is on the list. Wasn't this rated one of the worst beaches in Cornwall in recent years? Well yes, but that's only actually for the water quality. The water quality hasn't been the best over the last few years. However, when we last visited this lovely area, the water was perfectly fine. Would I drink it? Maybe not, but then there were plenty of people swimming and enjoying the water. The beach itself was clean and vast. We spotted no signs of sewage, no smells. It was just as nice, if not nicer, than a lot of other beaches we visited. I have also heard rumours that this is a naturist beach, however we spotted no natural things hanging around. The beach is right next to the beautiful Carhays castle and grounds, which makes for a lovely afternoon walk. The beach is actually technically part of the castle estate. Whilst you're in the area, why not check out the more famous Holywell Bay. Holywell Bay is just north of Newquay. Although not as busy as some of Newquay's main beaches, this is close enough to get fairly busy in the summertime. There is ample parking across the road. At first the beach seems small, mostly hidden behind a golf course and sand dunes, but when you walk further along you realise how big this beach really is. On the north end of the beach you'll see the twin rock formations just off the coast known as Gull Rock. There are also lots of caves to explore and a stream through the beach, which is great for little ones who aren't brave enough to hit the sea. Holywell Bay is known for its amazing surfing and gets quite popular with surfers and swimmers during the summer season. We recently visited Porthjoke and we think you should too. Porthjoke is a lovely beach just outside the large tourist town of Newquay, situated between Holywell Bay and Crantop. Porthjoke is also known locally as Polyjoke Beach. Considering how close this beach is to Newquay, it stays fairly quiet even in silly season. The main reason for this is that it is a bit of a walk to get to the beach from the parking. The parking is around a 10-minute walk from the beach and you have to walk down the cliff to get there. It is perfectly doable for toddlers, but not actually suitable for prams or wheelchairs. Walking back up, well that's a different story. It's certainly a workout. Once you're on the beach, it is laid mostly to golden sand with a stream running out towards the sea. The beach is a narrow long cove rather than a wide expansive beach. There are tons of rock pools and cool rock formations to explore with the little ones. I think it's definitely worth the walk for a quieter area, don't you? If you're headed up to North Cornwall, make sure you check out Tintagel. Tintagel Haven Beach, also known as Tintagel Beach or Tintagel Haven or just Haven Beach, it's located at the bottom of a steep valley underneath the towering Tintagel Castle grounds. It is home to Merlin's Cave, thought to be the birthplace of King Arthur and home to the magical Merlin. Tintagel Beach is small and at low tide can disappear altogether, so make sure you check out the tide times. If you want to explore Merlin's Cave, make sure you definitely check tide times, because at low tide you can walk right through the cave under the island. You can see from the beach the impressive castle, headland and bridge, as well as beautiful rock formations and a waterfall for good measure. If you're visiting this area, why not make a day of it? Explore the castle grounds, meet Galloft the statue and walk around the headland. I will leave our recent visit to all of this area down below. Let us know if you visited any of these beaches. We'll have another video up soon with more recommendations of places to visit in Cornwall. Until then, please do like and subscribe, as it really helps our content get seen. We appreciate all your support and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching everyone.